Welcome to Learning Video Editing Techniques for Drama. In this course you'll explore editing a scene from a film called Monty's Quest. My name is George Kingsnorth. I've got 30 years experience in television editing and I've been teaching students in further and higher education for the last 12 years. Learn Video Editing Techniques for Drama is for both novices and enthusiast filmmakers who are looking to develop their skills in drama using a non-linear editing system. So the course focuses on editing techniques as opposed to focusing on how to use a piece of software, although that is included in the course. We start with the basics of what a non-linear editing system is and go on to explore a range of different products that are available to users. From there, we look at how to manage your clips and where to store them, how to synchronize audio and video together, and then using log sheets, we go through the clips, view them, and mark up scripts. This gets us ready so we can start to do our first edit. Once we've completed the first edit, we look at revising our choices and keep going through that process until we end up with a final cut. The course then goes on to explore track laying audio, adding effects, and outputting the whole completed piece so you can upload it onto YouTube. This course is for those who are keen to learn how to edit drama, especially if you're shooting your own short film at this time. You may not know how to use a non-linear editing system, but this will give you an idea of what the professionals do when they edit such a product. Thanks for your interest in Learn Video Editing Techniques for Drama. Check out some of the free previews, and when you're ready to start, click on the Enroll button. See you in the course.